My children and the entire team is excited because Drishta Metaverse has come to Army Public School Clement Town for a different showcase and experience right from the children from grade 1 to grade 10. Children will be exposed to learning in VR. It is important.
Session. I enjoyed both the session for the primary as well as for the seniors, and I think these we should be having as a regular feature in the school.
APS Clement Town, and today we experienced Metaverse. It was a really nice experience. We saw about how the universe began, the Big Bang, dinosaurs, and how the Earth and Moon developed, and many more.